So a particular video might have a certain extension like MP4, but the codec it uses might be different. Codec stands for coding and decoding, and then what happens is that there are different standards for coding and decoding for videos. So just for MP4 videos as well, there are different coding standards. So if I were to go ahead and then let's say, for example, load up a file right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and load up, let's say, for example, this file right here. It is an MP4 format right here. So now it is actually scanning, and this is what you have. And here you can see that under tracks, you can see S.264 is there. So X264 is here, which is the codec it uses for this particular MP4 video. When you go ahead and export out videos as well, you need to choose particular format and the codec for it. So let's say, for example, if I were to select a WebM, then if I were to go to video, then you can see that you can choose different codecs for it, which is VP8 and VP9, which are the codecs for WebM format. Similarly, if I were to select MKV right here, then if I were to go around over here onto video, then you can see that there's more codecs right here. Similarly, if I were to go around over here onto MP4 and then go to video, then these are the codecs that I have. So the most common codec that is used for MP4 is S.264, but you can utilize newer S.265 as well, which has better compression rate. So you can go ahead and select this out right here, just like this, before you actually go ahead and convert. So now, as usual, you can simply go ahead and select out a particular location where you want to go ahead and then export this out. Let's say, for example, I can go ahead and then, let's say, for example, go ahead onto videos right here, let's say, for example, and then under exports, I'm just going to go ahead and export this out as S265 right here, just like this. Click on save and then simply start encoding. And once you do that, it will export this out as an MP4 format, but will also make sure that it's using the S.265 standard for encoding the video. So you need to wait for a while, and depending on the codec, it might take different amounts of time to convert the video as well. Usually S.265 is much more time consuming for processing than S.264. So over here you can see that I have skipped to the part where it has completed right here, just like this. And once that is done, you can go around over here and you can see that this is the video that you have right here. So if I were to actually go around over here, then you can see that I have this video file right here that you can go ahead and access out. And then this is the video that it exported using the S.265 codec. So that is how you can go ahead and then change out the video codec that you want while exporting video inside of Handbrake. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.